How to add Shiba Interstellar SHINT to Trust Wallet. So as you can see, you cannot see Shiba Interstellar in Trust Wallet. So what you need to do is click on Receive and search for Shiba Interstellar. So here you cannot see the option of Shiba Interstellar as well. So just click on Add Custom Token. And now what you need to do is you need to head to CoinMarketCap and just check the address, the contact address over here. So as you can see, this is a BNB smart chain which is BEP20. So you just go ahead and copy this address, go back to your Trust wallet, and in the network you have to select smart chain and paste the contact address which you just copied, and as you can see the details are pre-populated, and simply click on done and go back, refresh your Trust wallet, and at the bottom you will see Shiba Interstellar. In case if you guys have any doubts or questions, please feel free to leave a comment, and thank you for watching my video.